Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and welcome to Mini Block Monday, where I teach you how to piece a super cute mini block like this simple heart. For this block, you will need, in a dark fabric color, one 3.5 by 1.25 inch rectangle, one 2.5 inch square, and two 1 3/4 inch squares. In white, you will need one 2.5 inch square and two 1 3/4 inch squares. We're first going to make some half square triangles using the 2.5 inch squares. Place these right sides together and then mark a diagonal line from corner to corner. Take this to your sewing machine and stitch 1/4 inch to both sides of that line. Here's what it will look like when you get this stitched. Now we're going to cut our half square triangles apart. For every 2 squares that you stitch, you end up with 2 half square triangles. Go on ahead and open these up and press the seam allowances open and flat. That helps to reduce bulk behind the quilt block. Give both half square triangles a press, then trim them down to measure 2 inches square. Follow the exact same steps using your 1 3/4 inch squares. Place them right sides together and mark a diagonal line. Stitch 1/4 inch to both sides of that line. Then cut your half square triangles apart. You'll have a total of 4. Then trim them down to measure 1 1/4 inches square. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial on stitching half square triangles, go to leahday.com/HST. Now let's arrange our simple heart block. You're going to place the smaller half square triangles across the top, then the rectangle, and then the 2 larger half square triangles on the bottom. Piece the 2 larger triangles together and the smaller triangles together in rows. Then piece the 3 rows together. And this is what it'll look like whenever you finish your simple heart block. This should measure 3.5 inches square at this point and 3 inches square when you piece it to other things. And here is a beautiful project that you can make with this heart block. You can find a template to make this cute Valentine's Day card in our Quilt Friends Club. Check it out at quiltfriends.club. So that's it for this tutorial. If you'd like to find more Mini Block Monday videos, click here to find a playlist of them all. And if you'd like more tips on quilt piecing, click here to find a video with my 5 main tips for piecing successfully. And if you'd like to learn even more, I have written a book about piecing. You can find it on my website at leahday.com/piece. Until next time, let's go quilt.